Just a few hours ago, many of us walked into this room wondering, can AI really help me in teaching? Now look around. You've explored new ideas, tried powerful AI tools, and shared experiences with fellow educators. And you have taken your very first step towards becoming an AI enabled educator. That's something worth celebrating. Welcome to the start of your journey. Today, we have learned how AI can help us design engaging lesson plans, create presentations faster, and prepare assessments in minutes. It's about saving time and improving academic writing, all while keeping you at the heart of the classroom. Remember, AI is powerful, but it still needs your wisdom, your experience, and your passion for teaching. Use technology responsibly while keeping the educator at the center of learning. Let's be honest. AI still can't drink your staff room tea, and it certainly can't attend faculty meetings for you. And thankfully, it still can't replace your students asking, "Sir, will this come in the exam?" Your job is safe, but your workload, that just became a little lighter. Although today's seminar is ending, your learning journey is just beginning. You will receive your digital certificate of participation and 5 days of complimentary access to the SAGIFY LMS. Use the exercises and practical guides to keep exploring AI at your own pace. Every prompt you write makes you more confident. Every new skill you learn will benefit hundreds of students. Every better lesson you create will inspire countless learners. This is about shaping young minds. Every minute AI saves you becomes another minute spent mentoring and shaping the future. Technology isn't here to replace people, but to give us more time to do what matters most. We are shaping the future of education together. On behalf of SAGIFY Global Solutions, thank you for your curiosity and participation. Remember, the future belongs to those who never stop learning. Keep exploring and keep inspiring. We look forward to seeing you in the SAGIFY 7-day Faculty Development Program. Stay curious, stay innovative, and keep transforming lives. Thank you.